Welcome back, third grade, to Number Talks. All right. So, for our string today, we're going to start with 49 plus 8. So, start thinking, start showing those strategies on your chest. I'll give you a minute just to get your mind thinking of those strategies we've been working with. 49 plus 8. All right. So you probably said something like, oh, 49 is close to the number 50. We like 50 because 50 has a 0 in the ones place. So I only have to add tens when I'm adding 50. So I'm going to go up 1, right? And that's going to give me 50 plus 8. Okay. So now I have 50 plus 8. Kind of easy. 50 plus 8 equals 58. Now, I need to take that 1 away from that 58 because I went up 1, so I have to take away that 1. 58, take away 1 equals 57. So 49 plus 8 equals 57. All right. Did you all get that? I'm sure you did. Good job. So let's look at our next equation. 49 plus 23. All right, go ahead, share those strategies, or you could give the sum and see what sums your classmates came up with also, or someone in the home, a family member, a sibling. 49 plus 23. What are you thinking of doing to solve this? All right, I'm hearing some really good things. I'm sure you said something like, oh, 49 is close to a friendly number, but I also have a 2-digit number in 23. I might use place value to break that apart. All right. So 49 up 1, right? Plus 1 is going to give me 50 plus 20 plus 3. I just stretched out that 23 into tens and ones. And I know that 2 tens gives me 20 and 3 ones is going to give me this 3. And that's how I came up with 20 plus 3. Now I have friendly numbers in both of these numbers. I made it a friendly number. So now I'm going to add those similar values. My tens, I have 5 tens and 2 tens, which gives me 7 tens. 7 tens is the same as 70. Then all I have to add is the 3. So that gives me 73. But remember, I added 1 to get to that friendly number, so I'm going to have to subtract 1 to get the actual sum to our original equation. So 73 minus 1 is 72, right? So 49 plus 23 is 72. Were you thinking the same thing? Yeah? All right, good job. And if not, what strategy were you thinking of that worked for you? Good. So now let's go to our next equation. We have 49 plus 37. So 49 plus 37. I see that lovely number 49 again. That tells me I'm close to that friendly landmark number of 50. Right? So 50 plus, I just have this add in. I need to stretch out into place value because I like place value. It shows me how many tens I actually have inside of that number. So I made my 49 a friendly number, landmark number, and I made my 37 a landmark number and some ones. So I have my tens and some ones that I got from that 37. And then 49 plus 1 gave me that 50. I love those friendly numbers that have 0 as ones because it's less for me to add. I can just add tens, and I love adding tens. So 5 tens plus 3 tens, that's going to give me 8 tens. So that means I have 80 plus the ones, which was 7 ones is what we originally had in that add-in that was left. Okay, so 80 plus 7 is 87. But I'm not done yet because I have to bring that 1 back out. I added it in, now I have to bring it out and subtract it so that I could get to the real sum for our equation. This was just to help me get to a friendly number, so I don't need it anymore. I got my sum. Now I'm going to subtract 1 to get the final sum. So 49 plus 37 equals 86. Okay. Oh, I have to name my strategy. I'm making a friendly number. Also known as a landmark number. And that's what I did for both. Down here, I also made a friendly number or landmark number. Over here, same. I like that strategy. It's quick, it's easy. It gets me where I need to go. Making a friendly number or a landmark number. And I have to remember to always name my strategy so I make sure it makes sense. All right, and here goes our last and final number sentence. 49 plus 51. All right, 49 plus 51. These are bigger numbers, but I like that strategy. And I also see another number, that 49, that has a 9 in it. It's really close to a friendly number. I could also bring this to a friendly number. Ooh, I might be able to do that, but I don't want to get confused yet. So let me focus on getting one of them to a friendly number. Yeah. And then since I'm adding 1, I can subtract 1 from this one, but that will be compensation. So let's focus on making a friendly number. 50 plus 51. And there's a little hint for another strategy you'll be using later on 3rd grade. Compensation is something you're going to use often. But right now, let's focus on making a friendly number. So 50 plus 51, already I see 2 tens that are the same, but I'm still going to stretch that out. I'm going to make that 50 plus 50 plus 1 to show that that 51 gives me 5 tens. 5 tens and 5 tens, which is 50 plus 50, gives me 100, plus 1 from those ones equals 101. Now, I'm not finished. I have to pull that 1 back out from the sum that I just got. So 101 subtract 1 gives me 100, right? 100. Okay? And I'm making a friendly or a landmark number again to help me add. right? There are other strategies you could use. Just make sure it makes sense. But this strategy is something that we're going to practice often, especially when we have those 2-digit, like this, 2-digit numbers that we're adding. 2-digit numbers. We're able to look at what are those numbers close to on a chart, like a 100 chart. That would be the landmark number. Let me find my way to that number, add everything I need to add, and just take that number back out. So we're going to practice this a few times until it's part of our toolkit and we're ready to use it anytime we have math problems. All right, third grade. See you next time for Number Talks. Bye.